Hello and welcome to Astronomy and Astrophotography reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the SVBONY planetary camera SC715C. We're just going to have a quick look, unboxing straight from the box. You know, this is going to be an uncut video, unedited, just straight from the camera. So this is what we're here. This is what we have. This is the user manual, which has quite a lot of good information regarding megapixels and resolution, pixel sizes, stuff like that. Pretty cool. We have our wires and our camera cleaner to clean the sensor. We have this wire here, which I believe could be, I'm not too sure, let me double check. Let's see what we've got in here. So in the box they have the camera, some adapters, a USB 3 cable and a ST4 cable, I believe that is. So this would be an ST4 cable just here. This is our camera wire that you plug into the camera, as you can see by the ports, USB to camera port. We have our adapters here, very cool looking, you know. Not sure what the back focus is on this camera yet, but we will be doing a full test on this camera. We're going to be doing some planetary imaging like Jupiter, Saturn, paired with the MK127. So really excited for that. As for now, we're just unboxing, just having a look. This is the actual camera itself, the SC715C. Absolutely beautiful. I do love the colours on this, like the greys and the blues. Blue, I mean, but just, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Very small sensor inside, as to be expected with a planetary camera. This little thing here comes off, and I think what we're going to be doing for the MK127 is we're going to be putting this ring on here, and like so, and then we're going to put this on here, and then we're going to slot it into the 1.25-inch adapter for the MK127. Just slot it straight in, and that should be good to go. So yeah, that's literally everything straight out of the box. A nice quick video for you guys, so you know what to expect, you know what's coming. Really excited about the upcoming video. Massive shout out to SVBONY for providing this lovely camera. Cannot wait to get some planetary imaging done. So yeah, very nice, lovely little camera. Excited to see what it is capable of. Excited to see how zoomed it is in, you know, like when we image Saturn is my main kiddie. I want to I want to see how zoomed it is. Very exciting for me, as I've never really done planetary. I'm more like deep DSO, deep sky imaging, and so yeah, this will be a very fun little project from SVBONY.